my name is Kylie Elliott, and this is my final project on e-learning and mathematics education. So what is e-learning? E-learning is a type of instruction done on the internet or electronically. This can include live meetings, such as on Zoom or Teams, online exams, video lectures, and many more. So some examples can include Kahoot, Khan Academy, Mathway, YouTube instructions, etc. Ever since COVID-19 came about, e-learning has become much more popular in all subjects, including mathematics education. E-learning gives students more opportunities to learn math at their own pace, allowing them to learn better by giving them many attempts to math questions and many resources to learn how to solve these problems. So past versus present. In the past, e-learning was not very common as textbooks and in-person instruction took place. E-learning was founded in 1999 by Elliott Macy. Once COVID-19 started and social distancing became a requirement, e-learning drastically expanded as places had to get shut down. Now, even with in-person classes beginning again, e-learning is still very common and preferred by many people. So, the advantages of e-learning include video lectures are offered for students to watch as many times as they like, therefore learning more accurately. Online tests sometimes allow more than one attempt so that students can see where they went wrong and study to improve more and set grade goals for themselves. Interactive videos allow students to comprehend math problems better by giving them more practice. Audio and visuals can be added to make a student more engaged and interested in learning, instead of boring them with in-person textbooks. Students can work at their own pace, which allows for a better learning process. And then the disadvantages of e-learning include Alright, let me go back, hang on. Okay. So, disadvantages of e-learning is that feedback on grades can be limited. Students may feel lonely or isolated from the world. Students have more opportunities to cheat. Without time management skills, a student may do poorly. Quality in teaching math online may be poor depending on the instructor and the technologies used by the instructor, and some students may not have access to a computer or the internet. So, the future of e-learning. Because of many more job opportunities, new technologies opening, the pandemic, and media growth, e-learning is here to stay. So my opinion on e-learning and my field of study is, in my future becoming a mathematics teacher, I'm very excited to use e-learning. Even before the pandemic, I wanted to be an online math teacher for high school, and then eventually become an online professor. Even though the pandemic was awful, I am happy with the career opportunities it opened for my future. So I don't have many critiques, as this is my dream career. I cannot wait to use e-learning in my future career. My only critique is that not all students have this amazing opportunity due to a lack of technology. And here is my final reflection video. Hi, so this course has taught me how to use many different technologies such as WordPress, Piktochart, PowerPoint, and many more. And it taught me how to use these for my future classes. It gave me an idea on what to expect as a future online math teacher. I grew because of this class in terms of time management, and I learned many new technologies. Online learning is easy for me since I can learn at my own pace, so this class is fairly simple for me. Learning all the new technologies was a little difficult at times, so I first learning how to create the blog. Once I got the hang of these technologies, it was all a breeze. Also, recording myself was difficult because I have social anxiety. I believe my work has improved since I learned more about how to use these technologies, and I knew what to expect after a while. The part of the class that I remember the most is my blog, since I added on it after every assignment. It was an interesting experience, and I always wanted to create a blog. After taking this class, I feel accomplished because I learned a lot and it was relaxing, but I got through it with an amazing grade. I don't know what to expect from my future career as a math teacher. Okay, and here are my citations. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.